So I'm going to show you how you can display GIFs on a TFT display. GIFs, GIFs, I don't know, but a couple of things I need to tell you before we get started on it is, one, I'm using an ESP32. I haven't tried this with an ESP8266, and I don't expect it to work as well as it would on ESP32. Second is storage. Now, I'm using a SD card adapter, the one that you practically get from or with every SD card that you purchase. The reason I'm using this, one is it's because it's cheap. Second, it's actually slightly faster to use the SDMMC protocol than the normal SSD SPI protocol to communicate with the SD card. This is slightly faster, so that's why I'm using that. So let's get started. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use this GIF. We're gonna display this GIF on my TFT display. So I'm gonna save this to my downloads folder, and then we're gonna use this online tool called EasyGIF to resize the GIF to the size of our display. So in my case, my display is mine. I don't know, but my display is 128 by 160. So I'm gonna resize this GIF to 128 by 160. Go to the width 128, 160. Now you want to make sure that the GIF you resize it to the resolution of your display. Otherwise, it's going to be a little messy. So let's resize it and save. We're gonna go back to the downloads folder, and we're gonna rename it to something that we can remember. I don't know, Leo. Yeah, Leo. So next, I'm gonna copy this file to the SD card, and we're gonna plug this SD card. First, we're gonna eject it, and then we're gonna take the SD card out of the desktop, and I'm gonna insert it into the SD card adapter that's connected to the ESP32. So this is where the magic happens. This is a sketch that is slightly modified. It's actually based off of an example from animated GIF library. We're gonna change this to the name that we gave to the GIF file. So in this case, it's leo.gif, and then we're gonna click on upload. And there we go. It took me way too long to get this to work. A couple things that I learned is, one of the things is you need to have a pull-up resistor on pin 2 on the ESP32 for SDMMC. So make sure you do that if you're having trouble. The software pull-up does not work for some reason, but there you go. I will leave all the links to the articles and tools I use for this in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.